Night auditors. The night auditor works the overnight shift, combining front desk duties with financial reconciliation in more detail, endless guest check-in, check-out, and requests during the night shift, reconcile the day's financial transaction, and generate financial reports. Audits all revenue from departments like food and beverage, spa, and reservation. Ensure hotel safety and security during the night shift. Prepare the front desk for the following day's operation. Concierge. The concierge specializes in assisting guests with personalized service and recommendations to enhance their stay. In more details, provide information about local attraction, restaurant, and event, arranges transportation, tour, and ticket for guests, endless special requests such as organizing celebration or sourcing hard-to-find items, act as a liaison between the hotel and local service providers. Ensure VIP guests receive tailor-made service.